Welcome, guys, to another episode of Viva Not Voces. Today, we're going to be talking about what events led to the outbreak of World War One. And a lot of people say that, it was the assassination of the Archduke of Austria, Franz Ferdinand, that led to World War One. But today, we're going to be taking a slightly deeper look into what caused this conflict. So, the causes of World War One were rooted deeply in the history of Europe, and they had, in particular, the intense political turmoil in Europe. That's where World War One had its roots. So, let's get right into the first point. So, the decline of the Ottoman Empire created a power vacuum that other people needed to fill. In 1683, the Ottoman Empire left a power vacuum with other people that needed to be filled. 1683, maybe 200 years back, we had the fall of Constantinople, and this had sparked the gradual decline of the Ottoman Empire. And you remember the fall of Constantinople was when the Turks attacked Constantinople, and then Constantinople fell, and the Turks got in and began destroying from the inside. Sorry if my voice is a little raspy. So yeah, that was kind of what happened, and then it began to kind of progress from there. That was the start, but then it really began to fall apart at the Siege of Vienna. The Ottoman Empire's colonial expansion reached Austria, and they surrounded the capital of Austria, which is Vienna. But then they thought they were gonna win. They're like, there's no way these guys are gonna beat us. But then Vienna ended up sneaking some people out, around, and behind the Ottomans' forces, and they actually had massive cannons that used to completely shell the Ottomans. So yeah, that really led to the fall. And then by 1821, Greek became independent. So now we're losing pieces of the Ottoman Empire. More and more countries are leaving it. So it is really starting to create a power vacuum that people need to fill. In 1908, this kind of proved how the